Welcome back to TechGiantX. Today, we're diving into the high-stakes world of elite loggers, where skill meets raw power. Safety isn't just a rule, it's survival. So buckle up and get ready for some jaw-dropping precision and heart-racing action. Let's jump in. Well, that crane clearly picked a fight way out of its weight class. This isn't a battle, it's a public execution. Did that tree just get ambushed by a demolition squad or something? This is your reminder that professional loggers exist for a reason. Sure, DIY sounds fun, until your tree decides to introduce itself to your living room, uninvited. This guy either has nerves forged in a volcano or a guardian angel working overtime. Or maybe he's just secretly invincible. Who's to say? Ah yes, the unmistakable work of a genius at play. Truly, a masterclass in what could possibly go wrong. Oh my god, did this guy just spawn out of thin air? And more importantly, why is he standing there like it's a good idea? Ah yes, the legendary flaming axe. Perfect for chopping wood and summoning a fire department.
Oh shit!
When you skip the timberdy part, the tree just goes, "Fine, I'll do it myself." Looks like he made the safest decision possible, abandoning his trusty chainsaw like it was a cursed artifact. That tree just pulled a full-on martial arts stance, bent, balanced, and ready to counterattack like a seasoned fighter. Even with top-tier experts in high-tech gear, mistakes still happen. The real miracle? He's walking away like he just tripped on a sidewalk. Whoa, this guy definitely has some kind of sixth sense. The way he dodged danger? Straight up superhero reflexes. dodging falling trees like a pro. This isn't just a skill, it's an art form, and clearly this guy is a master. One moment he's on the ground, the next he's airborne. Pretty sure even gravity was impressed by that smooth landing. All right, fellas, time to pay the road tax. I run this zone now. Looks like they just learned the hard way. Never underestimate a log with momentum. Logging is no joke. Every mistake comes with a hefty price. Lucky for him, today's bill was just a minor injury. Another day, another unfair battle. One man versus one very unforgiving log. Spoiler, the log isn't playing fair. Looks like that tree just planted a big ol' kiss on the roof.
No!
Pretty sure the homeowner won't be feeling the love.
No!
It's going, it's going, it's going!
He's fine, but the fence? Let's just say it's about to get a makeover it didn't ask for.
Shoot. Oh no, it's on their feet!
The tree must have thought the fence was in the way, so it did a little home renovation of its own.
Here it comes.
He tried to steer the tree's fall, but let's be honest, that tree had already made up its mind. Looks like this tree decided to save everyone some effort and split itself. Who needs a wood splitter anyway?
快啲，都在往後倒。知道這邊手動了啊，有事。好，倒了，快走，快走。你看那車炸的。
Whoa, that could have gone way worse. Luckily, that height was more ouch than game over. Removing a dead tree is risky enough. Doing it like this? Next level danger. Lucky for him, he walked away in one piece.
Exactamente. Los dos huevos ahí, así se trepa.
A bus and a tree stump walk into a fight. Who comes out on top? Drop your predictions in the comments. The wildest men are always drawn to the craziest games, because normal is just too boring. A chainsaw and a ladder. Definitely not a match made in heaven. Safety harnesses are meant to save you, but sometimes they just make the struggle more entertaining. Just ask this guy.
You okay?
Today must be this guy's lucky day. Looks like the Grim Reaper hit the snooze button and missed his shift.
Crazy as they come. Here we go.
A real heart-stopping moment. Maybe a prayer would have worked better than cursing.
Oh shit! Whoa! Oh fuck!
The tree said, "You did your part well. but how I fall. That's my decision. Nice reflexes, buddy. Don't worry, we were just testing your survival instincts. A huge rock, a steep hill, and a questionable decision. What do you think happens next? Drop your thoughts below.
Oh, Lord!
Against the power of Mother Nature, the tree looks so weak it's almost heartbreaking.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit!
It's coming.
Oh, so it was just a brilliantly executed fake-out. When you put all your trust in your teammate, only to be met with pure disappointment. When you're so tired that even chaos itself can't wake you up, looks like it's finally time for a home renovation. This place was overdue for a makeover anyway.
Here it is. Oh, no!
And that's a wrap. We've seen close calls, epic fails, and pure skill in action. If you enjoyed the chaos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, stay safe, and maybe don't stand too close to falling trees. See you in the next one.